What's going on, everyone? Jay here. I'm going to be showing you today how to grow your buyers list for free on platforms like Craigslist and on Facebook groups. Stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can see back there. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to illustrate this for you guys so you can see a little bit better. All right. I'm going to show you guys how to build your buyers list in Nationwide. This is especially for wholesalers and real estate investors that want to grow and do business not just in their local area. Let me draw this out. What I use is Craigslist. Let me see if I can draw here. Craigslist. If this looks like a little kid's drawing, I apologize. I gotta get my skill up. All right, this is a Craigslist ad. Now, what I like to do is do an ad and drive that buyer or investor to my email list. And I don't know if you heard of the term the money is in the list, which is true. And I'm going to show you how big my list got over like the past 4 years doing this and how to leverage your email list to grow it even bigger, because you can leverage the emails you get from Craigslist and do something and port them to Facebook and do a lookalike audience and grow your email list even faster. All right. This is actually the landing page. Sorry. I'm going to do a landing page. A landing page is just a website that its main purpose is to collect information, email, phone number, etc. All right. This is going to be the landing page. And if you're not doing this and you're just collecting phone numbers and on paper and email, you're wasting your time. You need to build an email list. A lot of you guys say, oh, email list is dead. No, it's not. You guys just have to build a responsive list. And to do that, I'm going to show you in a later video. All right, so you're going to do an ad on Craigslist. You're going to direct them, either they text you, call you, or you email them your address to your landing page, which you can use like Weebly. You can make a free Weebly, right? And make a landing page. I'm actually going to be doing a video how to do a free landing page, right? Weebly. You can even do it with your autoresponder, which I use Aweber. Okay, let's put Aweber here. I can't even spell this. This is so bad. Anyway, you get the point. You use free Weebly, and you can embed your Aweber MailChimp, and you're gonna submit. They're gonna submit their information, and you're gonna collect their email. With this information, their email, contact, and phone number, you're gonna import that on Facebook, right? Just like I did back there. Craigslist, landing page, email. Let's see, it's over here, email. Then you're gonna go down here and do a Facebook lookalike. You're gonna import it, and you're gonna grow your contact list even faster, so you can marry deals. And it could be nationwide or local, however you want to do it. It's pretty much I'm redrawing this so you can see the. Let me put Facebook lookalike, right? Bam. I know this looks like chicken scratch, but I'm going to show you how big my list got over the years just doing this simple strategy. And if I don't mention, you guys don't know how big my list is, but I'm just going to show you guys. I'm also going to be teaching you guys at a later time how to grow a Facebook group. I have many Facebook groups, and if you haven't already joined my Facebook group, the Philadelphia Real Estate, on average, I'm getting around like 200 something. I'll say like 200 members per month, and I don't let just anybody in my groups. Let me just show you really quick. As you can see, this is the members request. I got over 400 something members requesting on a monthly basis, and I decline more than half of them and block spammers and scammers and whatnot. And the group could be a lot bigger, but I just don't let just anyone here. And I'm going to show you guys how to do SEO on how to build and leverage Google and Facebook search terms so you can get even more leads. Now, let me go back to this. We're going to go to Facebook. You're going to do a lookalike, and you're going to build like a 1 million audience, right? And what you can do, you can actually marry deals. Since you have a big buyers list, bam, money. Let's do some money. You can talk to investors. You can go to local title companies. Remember, they're like the middleman. So you can ask them, hey, you know, any uh, businesses or investors that are looking for properties or they need to sell quick, and you can do business that way too. This is just a shortcut here, but your list is very important. You don't need to have a super big email list, but the more individuals and investors you have in it, the better your outcome is. This is how big my list is. I have over 166,000 subscribers. All right, this was not overnight, and this is a Weber. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a landing page. I don't know if you guys are interested in learning that. Just let me know below. I'm gonna do a walkthrough how I do all this. Let me go back to my list here, right? Bam. Your job here is pretty much finding investors, motivated sellers, and blast. Try to get them under contract and blast that to your email list. Bam. All right. And what you can do is once you have a motivated seller, you can also do a lookalike audience. This is going to take you some time. You're gonna need about 200 to 300 transactions, or you can even use there's other methods to get leads, and you upload them to Facebook and make a lookalike audience and grow a massive responsive list. And just to show you that Craigslist in Philadelphia, I'm actually located in Philadelphia, if you guys are wondering, because I do ads all over the place, especially with Craigslist. There's softwares that allow you to manipulate the algorithm, and you can bypass their regulations. And it's kind of black hat, I would say, which you guys have to be patient. And I will mention on the next video what softwares I use. This is a Philadelphia's Craigslist. You have over 4 million visitors per month. You can see the top referring sites. All this information is very important. Like if you do business out of Philadelphia, let's say you're in a different state, you do wholesale deals in a different state. Another thing I like to use, you can use these keywords here. And this website is called SimilarWeb. You can use this as a hashtag on the bottom of your listing. And whenever people on Google search these keyword terms, you have a higher chance. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to show up on Google, but you have a higher chance to show up on the first, second, third page. And as you can see, Facebook is very powerful. This is why I combine Craigslist with Facebook combined to build up a massive list. Let me see. You can see now if you guys want to go and see this for yourselves, yeah, go to SimilarWeb and type in Philadelphia.org, Craigslist.org. So if you want to learn more how I'm doing this for free on Craigslist and building up a lookalike audience on Facebook, leave a like or comment or send me a direct message, and I'm working on finishing touches on the actual training. Just let me know if you're interested in learning more about that, or what other areas in your wholesale or investing business you want to learn. So either ways, I gotta go, guys, and I appreciate your time. Hopefully that was helpful, and talk to you soon. Bye.